Managing your SuiteDash CRM effectively is key to optimizing your client relationships and streamlining your business operations. In this quick explainer, I'll guide you through how to do just that, while revealing some unexpected insights and even recommending a powerful alternative at the end, so stick with me till the end. The first thing you need to know about managing your SuiteDash CRM is getting familiar with its dashboard. When you log in, you're immediately faced with a clean, user-friendly interface. Here, you'll find the tools to track client interactions, manage projects, and even handle invoices and payments. But here's the thing, the ease of use can be a double-edged sword. While it simplifies many tasks, it's easy to overlook certain features that could help improve client communication, which leads us to the next thing. Next, let's talk about automating your workflows. SuiteDash allows you to set up automated tasks, reminders, and follow-ups for your clients. This is great for keeping projects on track, ensuring timely communication, and minimizing the human error factor. However, it's not the most intuitive tool when it comes to building complex automation. Many users find themselves needing a steep learning curve to truly take advantage of all the customizations available. If you're new to CRM systems, it might take a little trial and error to get everything just right. The third thing is how SuiteDash handles client portals. This feature lets your clients access their documents, invoices, and other important information at any time. It's a great tool for transparency and streamlining your communication with clients. But, and this is important, SuiteDash can be slow at times, particularly when there's a lot of data being processed. This can create friction in client relationships as customers expect fast access to their files. So, it's crucial to optimize the portal and be prepared for occasional delays. The fourth thing you need to know is how SuiteDash allows you to integrate with other tools. Whether it's email, your calendar, or even other third-party apps, SuiteDash offers integrations that keep everything in sync. But again, there's a catch. The integrations aren't always seamless. Sometimes, syncing issues can arise, and this can disrupt your workflow. So, while SuiteDash does offer these integrations, you'll need to be on top of them to ensure everything works smoothly. Next, let's talk about SuiteDash's invoicing and payment features. These tools are solid and help you manage your finances without having to rely on third-party platforms. They come with options like automatic payment reminders and tracking, which can save you a lot of time. However, compared to other CRM platforms like Zoho or HubSpot, SuiteDash's invoicing capabilities can feel a bit limited, especially if you need more detailed financial reports. Now, for the last thing I want to discuss before I reveal an alternative, client communication. SuiteDash offers built-in communication tools like email templates and secure messaging, which are useful for keeping in touch with your clients. But some users report that these tools feel a bit outdated and lack the functionality of other CRM platforms. For example, the email tracking feature isn't as advanced as what you might find in competitors like HubSpot or Salesforce. So, if you're looking for robust client communication tools, SuiteDash may not be your best bet. But here's where I want to leave you with something better. While SuiteDash is a solid option for many, if you're truly looking to optimize client relationships with a smoother experience and more intuitive features, I highly recommend checking out Competitor Name. Not only does it offer a similar suite of tools, but it also outperforms SuiteDash in key areas like automation, client communication, and integrations. Plus, through the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial, along with additional benefits that are only available to our viewers. If you're serious about getting the best CRM for your business needs, make sure to grab the free trial through our link. You won't regret it.